將到達澳門巴黎人站，請帶齊隨身物品落車，多謝。Attention passengers, we are about to arrive. 請各位文明乘車，自覺排隊並請勿使用私人物品霸位。請各位自覺拍卡上車，車輛行車期間請坐好，請勿在車廂內進食，保持車廂整潔，請保持車廂安靜，避免影響他人。多謝。Be civil as men. Please follow the queue and etiquette. Shuttle bus is sound. Avoid disturbing other passengers. Thank you for your kind
即係啲
consideration.
保送免學費嗰啲，即係考到叻先係。
澳門全部都係冇數㗎啦。
呢度係全部保送啊！
各位乘客，前方即將到達澳門威尼斯人站，請帶齊隨身物品落車，多謝。
以前好似唔係保
Attention
送
passengers,
喎。
we are about to arrive at the Venetian
以
Macau
前係
station.
去考嘅啫
Please bring
喎，
your belongings and exit the
包
bus.
3蚊平啲㗎，唔係保送喎，保送嗰啲係。
唔係全部都要冇數咩？
考嘅，
考嘅咩？
考嘅，唔知而家有冇改變啦係嘛？考嘅。
車，自覺排隊並請勿使用私人物品霸位。請各位自覺拍卡上車，多謝。Be civil as men. Kindly tap your access card before boarding shuttle bus. Kindly remain properly seated during the bus ride. Kindly maintain the cleanliness inside the shuttle bus. Eating is strictly prohibited.
講得幾耐有邊個發嘅全部？
下站，請帶齊隨身 Haycock/Galaxy Station and exit the bus promptly.
31個
Thank you for your
10日8日都係喎。
我係我早過嚟年都係42、
舊年先對上一年啊，對上一年嘅得
30蚊嘅可以入。
模式佢一樣。
並請勿使用私人物品霸位。請各位自覺拍列，請保持車廂安靜。Kindly tap your access card before boarding the shuttle bus. Kindly remain properly. Kindly maintain the cleanliness is strictly prohibited. Kindly keep the shuttle bus peaceful and sound. Avoid disturbing other passengers.